There are a lot of steps to build a private house and they depend on national technical rules. The most important are: determine the area where the construction will be built. In this step, we have to determine the geometric shape of the building, the distances from boundaries and the biting surface. Determine the geotechnical features of the ground. The in-situ tests like CPT, SPT and DMT or laboratory tests like odometer test helps us to find the ground features. Apply for construction permits and licenses. This step depends on your country, because each country has different technical rules. Design the executive construction project. A structural engineer and an architect realize the executive construction project. Apply for permits and licenses to realize a building site. This step is necessary to open a building site, because we have to respect the safety laws on the building site. Design and build the building site. Design and realize the building site. Build the construction from the foundations to the roof. These steps consist of many activities from the foundation excavation to the realization of the roof. Install electrical fittings, heating installation and connection to the plumbing system. The last step consists of installing fittings, heating installation and connection to the plumbing system. Thanks for watching this video. For additional questions and clarifications, contact me on Facebook.